Hello and welcome to another one of my Leetcode videos. In this video, we'll be doing student attendance record. So in this problem, we are given a string which represents the attendance record of the student. The string can have three characters, either A, L, or P. A represents absent, L represents late, and P represents present. And there are a few rules. So in total, in order to be eligible for attendance award, the student cannot be absent 2 days or more. So it has to be strictly fewer than 2 days. And the student cannot be late for 3 consecutive days. So if they have like any place where like there's 3 consecutive lates, then they're ineligible. So we return true if the student can receive an award, or false if not, right? So this is a pretty simple problem. We just loop through the record and maintain a count of the absents and the consecutive lates, and if those breach the threshold at any time, we just return false, and if nothing is breached, we return true. So let's get into it. So let's say boolean, say can receive award equals to true, and that's what we return at the end. And then we loop through the string. We maintain the count. So if C is A, we increment times absent, and if the times absent reaches 2, because we're only allowed, it has to be fewer than 2, then we return false. If the student is late, then we increment consecutive lates, and if consecutive lates reaches 3, we return false. But then when they're no longer late, so we can just put an else here. So even if they're absent or they're present, it'll still execute this. So if they're no longer late, we can reset our consecutive lates to 0. So that way, if they have two else and then something else, we don't make them ineligible. And otherwise, we return true. So in this case, we don't even need the boolean, because the loop directly just returns false if they're not eligible. So let's test this out. Cool, this works. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't. It will help me grow the channel, and yeah, look forward to seeing you in the next one, where we'll do student attendance record too. Cheers.